Is coconut rum better than vanilla vodka in a Pornstar Martini? And is the Pornstar Martini actually a good cocktail to make with coconut rum? Let's find out. It's become pretty apparent on my channel over the last few weeks that I've got a huge audience for Pornstar Martinis and a huge audience for coconut rum. So in this video, I thought I would combine the two. Let's see if coconut rum will replace the vanilla vodka in a Pornstar Martini. So the chances are, most of you follow this. I know there's a lot of you that have made my Pornstar Martini recipe will have the ingredients: your Passoa, your passion fruit liqueur, your vanilla syrup, your Rubicon passion fruit juice. Of course, you have passion fruit puree and lime. If you haven't got puree, you could use fresh passion fruits, of course you can. So for this, I just thought, let's go for a coconut rum. Now, if you follow my stories over the last week, you will have noticed that I have actually had a delivery of coconut rums. There is no rhyme or reason why I'm using a Luna. It's the first one I've come to. I will be rocking out a video where I kind of compare these other coconut rums, along with DMF and Captain Morgan's as well. So let's give you a kind of a question to comment on below. I want to know, going forwards, what your favourite flavour is to mix with coconut rum. Would it be passion fruit? Would it be mango, banana, anything, raspberry? Put some flavours below, because over the next coming months or so, I'm really going to be focusing on coconut rums and Pornstar Martini Ingredients as well. So two sort of separate lines, but I want to kind of work on some inspiration to give you cocktails and make up some cocktails for coconut rum. But anyway, so let's crack on and make this cocktail. Recipes will be below in the description. First ingredient I'm going, 45ml, 1.5 ounces of my coconut rum. That's ingredient number one. Let's leave that to that side. Next we're going passion fruit, a liqueur Passoa, and I'm going for. I'm working in ounces for this one, so I'm going to go 22.5ml for ounce. If you want to go 50ml and 25ml, that's what I kind of do for UK. That's absolutely fine. But I'm going 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5ml. Here we go. That's ingredient number two. Ingredient number three, as always, is our vanilla syrup. And I'm just going for 15.15ml, half an ounce of vanilla syrup. There we go. Ingredient number four is going to be some freshly squeezed lime juice. So I'm going 15ml for freshly squeezed lime juice, 1/5, half an ounce. Ingredient number five is some passion fruit puree. I'm going, again, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5ml. And that'll obviously be, if you UK, if you want to do 25ml, that is cool. And then the final ingredient is my Rubicon passion fruit juice. Passion fruit, you must be able to get other passion fruit juices around the world. Rubicon is a big deal in the UK. You can pretty much get it anywhere. Normally this would be 50ml in UK, but I'm going 45ml, so 1.5 ounces of my Rubicon. There we go. Right, that is your ingredients. We know what's coming now. Plenty of ice. Is this going to work? I've not made it. I don't know. I've got no idea whether this cocktail is going to work. So plenty of ice. Hard, fast shake. 10-12 seconds. Right. There we go. Certainly got the froth. Coupe glass, martini glass, whatever you're serving out in. Double strain. Always double strain. Get rid of all those tiny little bits of ice. It's like I've made it before. Made it before. And if you can't get your froth on your Pornstar Martinis, just work on your wrist actions. Right. Your garnish is obviously going to be a passion fruit, but I'm not going to worry about your garnish. And if you want to do it properly, your side shot Prosecco. Right then, does this work? So good, I spilt it over the bar. That is really interesting. Is that better than the Pornstar, the original? I tell you what you get. You get it's not overpowering. I might try that with, that'll be another video. The best coconut rum for a Pornstar Martini, because that is very subtle in the background. I really like that. If you're looking for other Pornstar Martini videos on my channel, they will be popping up on screen right there. I'll pop them there. I'll put a selection there for you to dive into. But if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a future video. And I will see you in the very next one.